Good evening, everyone. I'm Judish Raj from Andhra MedTech Zone, Visakhapatnam. Andhra MedTech Zone is a medical devices park. The medical devices means like CT scan, MRI, ECG machine. We are going to manufacture this in India. We are going to indigenize this production. And the reason for that is, if you take the world medical devices market, it is $228 billion. When it comes to India, it is $5 billion. India is just 1.7% of world medical devices market. And the population of India is 16% of world population. So this is the type of gap which we see in this. Like almost all the neighboring countries are also catered for these medical devices from India. So put together, it is almost like 20% of world population is scattered with 1.7% of world medical devices. So to bridge this gap, we at Andhra government had initiated a medical devices park, which is going to come up in Visakhapatnam in 270 acres. And this park is very unique because it is going to build an ecosystem in India to set up such industries which are not there in India. And currently 80% of the medical equipments are imported in India. And this adds to a huge cost to the exchequer. Like the dollars are draining out actually because of this. So in our ecosystem, actually what we are trying is, we are trying to develop Indian manufacturers, the middle scale industry, middle scale manufacturers in this segment to come up so that they will have all the facilities in that, where the main challenges are there are many tests and certification, many regulatory processes are there in this to manufacture a medical device. So what we are trying to do is, we are building an ecosystem where all this will be in one place. Plus, for the manufacturers, actually, we are trying to have all the testing facilities, because a medical equipment undergoes multiple testing, like electromagnetic interference testing, radiation testing, biomaterial testing. So all this testing facility also, we are trying to bring it within our premises. And all these manufacturers can just use it on a pay-per-use basis. They need not invest on all these things. Today, as on today, most of these things are being sent to Singapore or Germany for testing. And all these things, we are trying to bring it in within Andhra Pradesh. And this project is actually funded by Andhra Pradesh, as well as the Ministry of Commerce in Delhi, from the Union Government, Ministry of Pharma, and IT. So I hope I will not take much more time. Thank you. Thanks for that.